We are a few short weeks away from Apple announcing its next generation iPhone, presumably called the iPhone 13, and we are expecting a bunch of new features and upgrades for this year's iPhone. And we've actually talked a lot about that in a few other videos that you can check out up here, but what about some of the rumors that might have gone a bit under the radar? Here are 5 iPhone 13 rumors that you might have missed. First up, color options. We've actually talked a lot about different colors, but a few colors that really haven't been talked about a whole lot are these potential matte black and bronze color options. Apple is planning to do a new matte black color option for the iPhone 13 Pro and 13 Pro Max, according to a rumor that surfaced back in March of this year. The rumor suggests that the current graphite option will be tweaked a little bit to include a darker, blacker tone, giving it a matte black finish. According to that same rumor, Apple could also be planning to launch a bronze color option, which could come in a tweaked version of the current gold, rather than an additional color option on top of what is offered with the gold one. The rumor comes from leaker Max Weinbach, who accurately reported in January of last year that the high-end 2020 iPhone lineup would feature an all-new navy blue color option, which we ended up getting. Now, me personally, I wish the Pro models would just get the same color treatments as the rest of the device, and then maybe you can add these additional ones because they're Pro models. I'm not really sure why Apple just assumes people who like Pro devices don't want fun colors. It's a bit frustrating, but regardless, if matte black is true, that's probably the one I'm going to go with. If you've seen or used an iPhone 12, you probably love that flat edge design. I certainly do, but I absolutely hate the fingerprint magnet stainless steel that's all over the Pro models. Thankfully, there's a rumor out there that seems to indicate that Apple is planning a new anti-fingerprint coating for the stainless steel edges on upcoming iPhones. While no specific details were given, the new coating would come as part of an updated manufacturing process, helping to reduce the visibility of those fingerprints and smudges in day-to-day use, and believe me, there are tons of them. Apple engineers and designers working on new iPhones are users of products themselves, and so it's likely that they've been running into this issue all day, every day, and those smudges have to be annoying, so hopefully they are taking care of that with the iPhone 13. According to Max Weinbach again, Apple plans to bring its beamforming microphone technology, currently in the AirPods lineup, to the iPhone 13. The technology will improve the quality of the microphones on the iPhone, resulting in better calls and recordings. It is certainly possible that Apple could bring its beamforming technology to the iPhone, possibly marketing it towards improving video recordings and audio. Apple has heavily pushed the iPhone, especially higher-end models, as an all-in-one tool for professional videographers. So improving the mic quality for videos especially just makes a whole lot of sense. The iPhone 12 introduced MagSafe for the iPhone, and while it's useful in some cases, I do think magnetic connections could be a bit stronger when you're using MagSafe, especially for accessories like Apple's Wallet, or even third-party accessories like car mounts. With Apple's long-term intent for customers to increasingly rely on MagSafe, it will really need to ensure that the magnets and technology are strong and up to high standards. Hopefully, this rumor ends up being true, because I think we've all had some pretty frustrating moments in which the connection just isn't as strong as one would like for certain accessories. And lastly, it's possible that this year's iPhone is going to get some pretty good camera improvements. Some may be significant enough to actually lead to an astrophotography mode. A rumor from February suggested that the iPhone 13 will automatically detect when a user is pointing to the sky and accordingly adjust exposure and other camera settings in order to take some really cool pictures. With Apple's push to continuously improve photography on the iPhone, this rumor seems plausible, especially when considered that an update suite of camera features could be the iPhone 13's biggest selling point. Now, this is something that Google has actually implemented into its Pixel lineup for quite some time now, and the results from Pixel users are actually really awesome, and I would really love for Apple to hopefully match or exceed what Google has been able to offer when it comes to astrophotography. The iPhone 13 is expected to be announced later this month, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on everything we just talked about or all the other rumors that you might have heard about in the comments down below. This has been Dan with MacRumors. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you around in the next video.